Father Kevin ay wala po akong karapatang tumanggi. Ang aming pagtutulungan bilang kapatid na pare at kaibigan ay sa iba't ibang bahagi ng aming paglilingkod sa simbahan. Ano tawag siya? Pasal. Galing ko sa isang concert, tapos inulan. Sabi, alam mo na pag inulan, hindi sabihin nila yan. As individuals, we are the church. We are the first church. At bilang isang pamayanan, ay makakatuon sa aming dispatch. Pag-isipan lang natin, bakit ako nanatili at narito sa komunidad dito sa parokya ito? Of course, ang pinakamanatili kong nasa simbahan ay mayroong mas malaking responsibilidad na kung paano tayo ay tinanggap come and see is first and foremost a church that listens, a church that encounters, a church that goes forth, and a church that is alive. Kung tayo ay slowly lose intimacy with Christ, ministry without prayer becomes mere volunteerism. Service without contemplation, mga tagapagmahayag ng mabuting balita. How can we preach something that we do not understand? Ay unang-unang tinatawag para makinig. Ito yung episcopal motto ni Cardinal Victor. Ang pakikinig ay isang uri na pag-ibig. He was elected Pope. Sabi niya, we have to know how to listen and to judge and to shut doors as if we hold all the truth and no one else has anything to offer. This danger in the church is not lack of volunteers. I say that. Those who pray become gentle. Andrew does not convince Peter with arguments. He simply says, come, a person, big person, Jesus Christ. Building bridges, dialogue, always open to receiving the community of the Christian faithful, stably constituted in a particular hand of Diyos, kasama ng kanyang sambayanan. Ang parokya encounter Christ whenever they encounter us. Pag nakasalubong pa kayo, tawag isang welcoming church, welcoming parish. Gusto ko magsimba doon kasi ang ganda ng mga buwan ang natanggap ng Jesus. Jesus comes to our parish today, would we feel welcome? Pag-share. Ang ating pakikinig, parang si Paul, at buo ko ngayon, makakatawa. But evangelization is contagious. The first missionaries wala naman sila maging problem because to evangelize is the very identity of the church. Especially the hospital. Kasi hindi naman lahat ng is ng simbahan to be present in the lives of others in sharing time, experiences, and maybe practicing. So kung isang nakasalanan ay pumasok sa pintuan ng ating simbahan, the projects, programs that we have, it is first and foremost the presence that revolution. Hindi lamang dapat na a welcoming church listens, encounters, kailangan buhay tayo bilang isang simbahan. Ano ibig sabihin ng isang simbahan ng buhay? Because it is possible to have many activities but little life. Marami tayong ginagawa. Buhay tayo They transformed the world because they were alive with the Holy Spirit. Because magkaiba yung basis activity against being alive is to suffer from spiritual fatigue. A living church is not measured by how much it does, but preserving members, but a living, whole, generating disciples. Bilang isang simbahan na tumatawag sa atin upang panimabuhin ang ating buhay bilang isang kanila. From nakalimutan natin itanong, kung nga ba natin ito ginagawa? Dahil ang our prayer life. We organize programs, but sometimes we forget people. Ano ang ginagawa? Kasi baka naman busy tayo araw-araw sa parokya, pero nakakalimutan. Sometimes we become exclusive instead of becoming welcome. I belong here. Ayun, pumasok sa ministry na yan kasi mga nandiyan. Saan ang ating devotion, for example, ay nagiging ATM machine, a real community. Sometimes, it's not a trap, it is God's design. What does a living parish look like? Tinanong kasi ay, what does a living parish